the journey of these 2 years, it was quite a roller coaster, I would say. Lots of ups, lots of downs. I think, for me, I think I would say that there were more downs than ups. You have to look at the preparation through a different perspective. You have to look at CLAT as the main mock. All these mocks, you can't get affected by these mocks personally, because I also used to score very, very low. Don't get devastated by a bad mock. Focus more on how to attempt a paper. Think and prepare more yourself for anything. Anything can come in the paper. We saw this year as well. I think by now we all know कि कुछ भी आ सकता है. So just be ready for it. The entire point is to develop that aptitude for the paper.
Okay, hi everyone. We have Yatharth Tyagi today with us. The reason we have called Yatharth Tyagi is because Yatharth is All India rank 219 in CLAT 2026. So we'll just try to understand from Yatharth that how exactly it went well. So Yatharth, again, very welcome and congratulations on the phenomenal result.
Thank you, sir.
Now, calling you Yatharth is so difficult for me because I'm so used to calling you Tyagi.
Yeah.
And right before you, Yatharth Bansal came, and that's what I told him as well. I'm so used to calling you Bansal that calling Yatharth sound, it's very unusual for me. So we'll stick to Tyagi so that comfort level for both of us is there.
Yes.
So Tyagi, before you move ahead, if you can just introduce yourself.
Right. Hi everyone, I am Yatharth Tyagi. I secured an All India rank of 219 in CLAT 2026. I've been a student here at NPLC from 2 years. I joined last year in April, May. And I've had quite a long journey with sir. He has been there with me for the past 2 years, and he has seen all the ups and downs, I'm sure. And I'm a student at Sanskriti School, Chanakyapur.
Okay, great. So, Tyagi, you are from Sanskriti School.
Yes.
The school is pretty demanding.
Yes.
And holds a very high repute, not only in Delhi but the entire country. So my first question would be vis-a-vis the pressure school had put you on guys, and while preparing with CLAT, because it's a completely different exercise, both of them. So how did you manage that?
So for that, we have to look at 2 grades separately. For 11th, I ensured that I was somewhat able to keep a balance between school and coaching, but when I started with 12th, I felt that I had to do a lot more here for CLAT. So I had to put school down for a while, but I'm thankful to the teachers and the management at school who helped me throughout. I told them in advance that I'm preparing for CLAT, won't be able to come to school later. So this is one thing for attendance, that in the first term, I didn't take any leaves for no reason or to prepare. I went to school almost every day to ensure that my attendance stays at par. When it comes to work and school ka tests for 12th, at once, of course, you can't expect to top school and CLAT together. So you have to get that understanding. The teachers do understand that. It's just that you have to make it up with your parents. When that happens, I think you can focus completely on CLAT for quite a while. The school does understand that.
Yeah, okay. So I think we had a wonderful experience with Sanskriti always, that they're very accommodative, and that's a great place. They understand what the needs and the requirements of the students are. That way, it's a great thing. Okay, so Tyagi, now getting into the real thing. First of all, of course, I know you come from a defense background. Why law?
Okay, so I remember this was the first question that sir asked me 2 years back when I came to NPLC for the first day. So we're back at the same question. Why law would be that, if I have to be really honest, when I started with law, it was because basic things. I like to argue, I like to debate. I was very a lot into public speaking, etc. But now that I think about it, it does match my style, or it does give me the kick that one would want as a lawyer in future, right? All those cases, even corporate law and all the firms and all. It seems like it matches what I would want to see myself in the future doing. So I think it's quite a good match for me. That's why I chose it.
Got it, yeah. So Tyagi, law was your first choice. You wanted to be a lawyer. और डिड यू एलिमिनेट कि नहीं भाई इंजीनियरिंग नहीं तो मेडिकल नहीं तो बचा क्या, तो लॉ बचा?
That was also a part there. Science में इतना interest नहीं था. Commerce, I thought, no, I had no interest in commerce at all. Science, I wasn't really very pushed towards or in that favor. Elimination था थोड़ा बहुत, but in this journey, I think it changed my mind, and now I can easily defend law or anything over any other profession.
Perfect. That's great. So Tyagi, my next question would be, इतना सारा pressure, इतना सारा सब कुछ. Now finally rank 219. So the purpose is to understand कि 219 का जर्नी होता कैसे है, right? कि कितना वो बहुत स्ट्रेस फ्री होता है या फिर it was a cakewalk for you or was it a challenge for you? कहाँ तुमको क्या ट्रबल हुआ, क्या नहीं हुआ? So just give an insight about the profession.
So the journey of these 2 years, it was quite a roller coaster, I would say. Lots of ups, lots of downs. I think, for me, I think I would say that there were more downs than ups. Mock scores could fall in any month, any time, randomly, and they would scare me out. I think that was normal with everyone. But for me in particular, something was that the timing was not in my favor at all. Like, I think if you remember, November first 2 weeks, my score went too low. So this happened throughout. Kabhi bhi aise mock scores niche chale jayenge. The tests that we have on every weekend, we used to have tests. Some weekends I wouldn't perform that much. Sometimes GK would trouble. Sometimes another section would go down. But again, it's an inherent belief that you have to have in yourself that things will fall in place when they have to. You have to have faith in yourself. You have to have faith in the preparation that you have done throughout this. So I think there will be lots of ups, lots of downs, but that inherent belief, that inherent faith that you have in yourself keeps pushing you to try harder, stronger, come back with a new strategy maybe in the next round.
So considering I know you and I'm not a third person who is interviewing you, so Tyagi, my pointed question towards you. Tyagi is one person who has actually struggled with mock scores which has gone really low at times and it has come up really well. So I need to understand, ठीक है, up होता है तो हमारा confidence level बहुत ऊपर होता है. Low के साथ कैसे tackle करते थे? Because one thing I always commended about you, that you were one person who was throughout consistent. वो लगा हुआ था. उसका खराब भी होता था तो मैं देखता था तुम नेक्स्ट टाइम उतने ही ज़ील के साथ वापस आते थे. आई सॉ पीपल हु वर नॉट परफॉर्मिंग दैट ग्रेट. वो जो ग्रुप था 9, 10, 11, 12 लोगों का जिसको हम लोग लगातार इंटरव्यू में बार बार जिक्र हो रहा है, सब उससे रिफ्रेन करते थे कि यार उनके साथ कौन जाएगा, वो हेडेक है, दे आर सो गुड, वो मुझे फ्रस्ट्रेशन होता है उनके साथ रहने से. पर इवन विद a low score at times, you were always a part of the group and you were struggling कि मुझे ऊपर आना है. So that shows कि तुम्हारा level of commitment कितना आई था. Maybe it was not converting into scores, but तुम्हारा commitment कितना level था. कैसे tackle कर रहे थे यार?
So exactly, so there was this group of 8 people and now all 8 of them are in the top 3 colleges, law colleges of India. But again, they were consistently scoring a lot. They were my friends. I've been hanging out with them for quite a long time now. But again, my scores weren't matching with them. मेरे score कभी बहुत नीचे जा रहे हैं. मतलब, like I hang out with them, but when it comes to the serious part, when it comes to mock score, etc., my scores I had to compare them with others. So that was quite stressful. I remember there were a lot of hard times. कि कभी it feels like what am I doing here? Because it's like when I'm scoring that low, I can't even share with my friends because all my friends are topping. They're getting above hundreds. I may be in 60s or 70s. But what I did was that again. At sometimes I thought that there was no base to this, but I kept that confidence कि मतलब मैं आया हूँ इधर, इतनी देर से कर रहा हूँ मैं, कुछ तो मैं कर ही लूँगा. Like I had to keep that क्योंकि as you had said, I remember you saying कि the more I get devastated after a mock, it'll be harder for me to come back. So this is one thing that stuck with me. I kept reminding myself कि there is some potential. मैं कभी-कभी अपने अच्छे mock से याद करता था, hoping कि वो score फिर से आ जाए. काफी बार नीचे जाते थे, but then again I had to keep this with me, the thought that असली क्लैट में I know what I'll do. It's just a belief. There may be no base to it, but you have to feel that you're gonna kill the real mock. That will be during the clat. So last month में तो मेरा यही था. I forgot about others, कौन कितने ला रहा है. थोड़ा hurt feel करता कभी-कभी, but then I knew कि on the real day I will be able to match my scores with others.
No, Tyagi Hotara, you are a perfect example. I would want all, in fact, the junior batch, I would, even if I call nobody, I'll call you for sure. Because people, you have set an example, ki law, with everything going against you, you may still do really well, right? So you did well at so many times, but you have not done well at a couple of occasions as well. So उसमें अपने आप को कैसे, because half of the people lose battle in between the course of preparation when they start thinking कि this is not my cup of tea. You are one person who was throughout consistent and did so well at last. So I'm so proud of you, Tyagi. So Tyagi, my next question would be, how many mocks did you write?
About, I would say 180 to 200.
180 to 200. So 180 to 200 mocks दे करके, I'm sure you would have a perception about the paper कि पेपर ऐसा आएगा whatever. तो जब दिए, मतलब एक्चुअल पेपर आया हाथ में कि ले भाई अब यही है फाइनल चीज जो आया है, क्या था वो 2 घंटे का जर्नी?
So firstly the set that I got, उसमें logical was the first section. And तो उसमें एक तो pattern change था. Again, I was turning throughout the paper because at first we had to check whether all sides have been printed properly. And I'm just looking at the paper. मुझे legal reasoning मिल ही नहीं रहा, वो लंबे passage. I came with the mindset that legal I will tackle very crazy. मैं उसमें बहुत जल्दी read करूँगा, उसमें कुछ मिल ही नहीं रहा मुझे. And then I'm going through these sections वगैरह. So again, but here's the thing. I knew what you told me before, 2-3 days before CLAT, that you have to be confident. At times I was overconfident too, but that went in my favor. So I remember exam day pe, about 5-6 people at the same center. I met them before the exam. हम एक साथ ही enter कर रहे थे. All of them were scoring more than me in mocks, etc. And I went with a weird, unusual smile. I was smiling. I was so happy. They all asked me कि तुम इतना खुश क्यों हो गया, ऐसा क्या हो गया ये वो. But I was smiling. I was laughing. मैं बिल्कुल खुशी से गया अंदर पेपर देखा. I went down. I knew this, that when the paper comes, I won't be reacting to the paper, but I would be focusing more on how to adapt to it. That was something that I knew पहले से. So it's about the mentality. I think you told us कि एक दिन पहले से पढ़ना बंद कर देना. तो शाम से मैं बस रिलैक्स करके ये सोच रहा था कि कल पेपर में कुछ भी आया. I was ready कि कुछ भी आ सकता है. I will
confidence एकदम intact.
Exactly sir. वो रखना पड़ता है because अब तो हमने देख ही लिया कि कुछ भी आ सकता है.
Correct.
So it's more about the mentality, and you have to keep the aptitude ready for the paper. I knew that I had that in me. I think it went in my favor that way. Great, Tyagi. So, Tyagi, my next question would be, of course, of course, I know what you struggle with the most. If you can just tell what was the GK. So, like everybody else, you are no exception. So, GK के साथ इतना सारा struggle किए, क्या करते थे GK के लिए, कैसे? GK के लिए, firstly, this is a fact कि no one can say that मेरा GK हो गया. GK is endless. Sir gives us a lot of PDFs. एक month में क्या हम 4 करते थे एक बारी में, and then उन सब का revision भी होता था. I remember doing March और April तो बहुत ज़्यादा ही बार कर ली थी end तक आते आते. But again, PDFs, sir, you gave a lot. Then there were those daily compendiums, monthly, weekly, Monday tests होते थे. Lot of sources. I was struggling with PDFs earlier. This is something for me कि my GK wasn't very strong. So at the last month, I knew कि now there's not much time left, so I have to do something, right? So last month I had to push the train. Well, everyone was working hard, but for example, if they used to sleep at 2 or 3, I would stay up till 6 covering the backlog. So last month I really geared up कि अब तो पूरा साल का GK करना पड़ेगा. But that was personally for me because I was struggling with it. But normally, if you're keeping up with the PDFs, if you're doing them regularly, I think you'll be fine with GK. Confidence आना tough होता है because GK is endless. Anyone can ask you anything. But if you're doing those PDFs, if you're thorough with the important topics, the one that you keep giving us so many lists, 4 to 5 checklists. If you're done with that, I think it's pretty good for the exam.
So त्यागी, एक चीज अब मुझे और बताओ तुम, जो तुम्हारे पर्सनालिटी का बड़ा यूनिक फीचर भी है, mock analysis. ठीक है, people used to come, but there's so many of your friends, they were getting high scores, वो आते थे और अपना एनालिसिस करते रहते थे, ये किए वो किए. तुमको मैं हमेशा कंसिस्टेंट देखा मॉक एनालिसिस में, राइट? मॉक करते थे, मॉक एनालिसिस जरूर करते थे. मतलब मुझे लगता है कभी कभी मॉक नहीं भी करते थे लेकिन एनालिसिस में बैठे होते थे. So mock or mock analysis का कितना how helpful were they in your journey till AIR 219?
So if I had to choose one element of NPLC that holds the most value, I think it would be mock analysis. One may think at times that it's just people arguing, etc. But when you go with a certain mentality, when you're ready to hear other perspectives, when you're listening to others' arguments, when you're arguing with them, basically for me, I used to go with mock analysis with a score of 78, 82, and I used to argue with people with 102, 103. And in fact, I have also changed answers, changed their perspectives many times, I remember.
Correct.
So I used to celebrate those wins, but that was very silly. But basically, you have to go with the mentality, you have to go with an open mindset that the point of a mock analysis is to listen to others and to understand how to really attempt a mock. So in questions particularly, I used to listen to others' argument not with कि question की क्या value है, but with how are they perceiving the question, how are they attempting it. So my focus used to be on that. That really helped me increase my scores throughout the time, because through mock analysis, when everyone, when especially the ones scoring more than you, the good people share their perspective, right? That this is how you attempt a question. When you infer that from others' arguments, I think that is probably one of the most valuable things that you can get in this entire journey. That really helps, and you have to implement them as well. So it's like, don't just get into that question, but try to learn more about how people attempt such a question. You know, you can form different types of questions and then you can perceive them. So that really helped me. I used to understand कि लोग कैसे कैसे attempt कर रहे हैं, what am I doing wrong. All those things I used to realize in mock analysis itself. Those 1 hour, 1.5 hours, I think I would give it the most value in this entire journey. तो उससे काफी help करता है, because in the next mock I used to go with that mentality कि अच्छा ऐसे question में this is something that I did wrong, I have to attempt it like this instead.
So mock analysis, you are saying is the most important,
According to me, most
exercise of the
definitely
entire course of preparation. Okay, great. So त्यागी, अब ये बताओ, अब तो जो होना था वो हो गया, 219 आ गए, possibly NUJS कोलकाता जा रहे हो, and whatever. एक चीज तुमको लगता है जो तुमसे गलती हो गई, मे बी इन द कोर्स ऑफ प्रिपरेशन, या फिर तुम गलती भी छोड़ो, आई विश आई कुड नॉट हैव डन दैट, और मे बी इन दोज 2 hours जब तुम पेपर अटेम्प्ट कर रहे थे, जो चीज तुमको लगता है कि नहीं होता ना, had I not done this I would have even scored better.
Yeah.
Is there anything in your mind?
Sir, firstly I had 119 attempts out of पहले 120 का जो पेपर था, I had 119 attempts. GK में एक क्वेश्चन था, 4 ऑप्शन थे, I had eliminated 2. 2 में I knew that this is the answer. I just felt कि 119 already too high, एक छोड़ देता हूँ. Probably वो attempt कर लेता, maybe a mark or 1.25 more could have helped me land up in Nalsar or whatever. So ऐसे बहुत सारे थे. In English I read one question wrong. Logic में एक में मैंने जल्दबाजी में कर दिया. When I came home I did that question again and I was like ये क्या करते हैं. But again, like जैसे 2-3 सेक्शन थे English and ये GK में ही था, I could have scored easily 2.5 more. Even let's say if I got 3 marks more, maybe I would have a shot for NLS or NALSA or whatever. So that could have changed my fate. But at the same time, you have to realize that 1 mark कम भी तो हो सकता था. उसमें क्या पता, I wouldn't have gotten NUJS or whatever. So I wouldn't complain about that. It is a regret कि बहुत silly mistakes थी 2-3, could have gotten more, but then it got compensated with a full in maths. So वो मतलब it gets compensated.
तो मैथ्स में full आया.
Maths में 12. So it gets compensated in other sections. So paper ka I wouldn't say any regrets, because overall I have to look at the bigger picture, right? So 1-9 I can't be complaining about that. But when it comes to the preparation, my GK used to trouble me a lot in mocks. That is something जिसको लेके मैं बहुत late serious हुआ. Could have done that before, but again I had that belief कि end में कर लूँगा. GK तो करनी है, करना पड़ेगा. But here's one thing, reading sections you can develop with practice, but when it comes to GK and maths, it's up to you. जितना the person does it, it helps them more, because reading section तो सबका हो ही जाता है, end of the day सबका equally score आता है उसमें. GK and maths, the more you practice the better you score, so you have to be thorough with that. You have to keep practicing maths. वो मे बी GK में थोड़ा और कर लेता, वैसे पेपर में तो GK सबकी equally है. I have scored more than many, so it's not really a regret. But yeah, GK and maths I think could have practiced.
Correct. Great. Yeah. And Tyagi, any advice to 2027 aspirants?
Sure, sir. If I had to give an advice, I would say that everyone would be in a rush to prepare. They would be sort of studying for the targets, getting ready for another mock. but you have to look at the preparation through a different perspective. You have to look at CLAT as the main mock. All these mock, you can't get affected by these mocks personally, because I also used to score very, very low. But this is one thing that you have to ensure ki you can't be crying over a mock or be celebrate like one good score and waste time. That really affects a lot of people. So don't get devastated by a bad mock. And when it comes to the actual CLAT paper that you'll be giving, don't react to the paper, but adapt to it is one thing. And just know that it is an aptitude based paper. So throughout this journey, focus more on how to attempt a paper, how your mind works throughout the paper, instead of, maybe rote learning or just doing GK. Think and prepare more yourself for anything. Anything can come in the paper. We saw this year as well. I think by now we all know कि कुछ भी आ सकता है. So just be ready for it. The entire point is to develop that aptitude for the paper. So I think if that is there, anyone can do well in it.
I think that was a wonderful piece of advice. So thank you, Yatharth Tyagi, Gam Tyagi, for us, for sharing all these. And like, I'm sure we'll be meeting again. The celebrations are still due, right? It's just that I've just got free now, so we are even doing interviews late. But Tyagi will meet again. We'll celebrate your and your friends, everybody else's success together. So God bless you. We'll be in touch.